Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 AC blower not working issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. An AC blower not working in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as no air coming from the vents, the fan not responding to speed changes, or the blower working intermittently. Verified owner reports and service information show that blower-related concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on HVAC system design, electrical components, and vehicle usage. One verified and frequently reported cause involves a failed blower motor. Over time, internal motor wear can prevent the fan from spinning, resulting in no airflow regardless of AC or heat settings. Another confirmed cause relates to blower motor resistor or control module issues. In many F-150 models, a faulty resistor or electronic blower control module can cause the blower to stop working entirely or operate only at certain speeds. Fuse or relay-related problems are also documented factors. A blown fuse or failed relay in the HVAC circuit can interrupt power to the blower motor, leading to complete loss of airflow. Wiring and electrical connection issues have also been reported. Damaged wiring, loose connectors, or poor grounding can prevent power from reaching the blower motor or control components. HVAC control panel or climate control module issues are another verified consideration. Faults in the control interface may prevent proper signals from being sent to the blower system, even if the motor itself is functional. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include ignition-related power interruptions, software-related control behavior, or excessive debris causing motor overload. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking fuses and relays, testing blower motor operation, inspecting the blower resistor or control module, verifying wiring integrity, and diagnosing HVAC control inputs. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 AC blower not working issues are resolved through blower motor or resistor replacement rather than full HVAC system repair. However, experiences vary by model year and system configuration. In conclusion, Ford F-150 AC blower not working is typically linked to blower motor failure, control module or resistor issues, or electrical supply problems. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.